Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to turn off OneDrive. Let's have a look now. If you want to temporarily turn off OneDrive, you can pause syncing or disable OneDrive. Open OneDrive and click on Settings, then choose Pause Syncing. Now you can quiet OneDrive and or set a specific time to turn off syncing. Confirm the action. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.